I had bad psoriasis that appeared when I was around 15 years old. It really affected my self-confidence. I created skincare from my kitchen because everything I was using in the shops just was irritating my skin and making the psoriasis a lot worse. I came up with various ingredients that I realised were helping to heal my skin. You wouldn't think self-care would make that much of a difference, but it was life-changing for me. So I never expected to build a big brand or a big company. I was just making creams in my kitchen. From Jamaica to Ghana to Mexico, we're sourcing all our ingredients directly. I love that I can help support the women in Ghana by sourcing the highest quality shea, and we're helping these women to continue doing what they want to do, and they're earning a good, fair wage, and it's been important for us. Rather than focus on skin conditions, it's more about people's confidence. I understand the importance of feeling comfortable in the skin you're in, and that's why the business means such a lot to me.